we're going to add extra SSD. Now we already have one SSD inside. Remove the screws, Phillips screwdriver, lift it up. Alright. Okay, once that one is done, now what we have is 512 NVMe SSD. I don't know which one is that, probably specifically to HP. And we can have the smaller ones. I don't know if it's going to work, because these ones are absolutely crap. No, but this one, oh shit, it's actually it doesn't have SSD slot. That's just the landline. Yeah, it's not for the SSD. Goddamn. Oh well. Now we learned something. Yeah, so basically to replace that, I want to show you something. Sometimes you would have these ones, and for that you can get these little extension, and then you have variations of the normal. Now don't use these ones, these are absolutely crap. And some of these 2-notch, which is N2 versus NVMe, some of them would not work, simply wouldn't work at all. I had these issues before with these new generation laptops, even though this is not that new. Once you get yourself the new SSD, NVMe SSD, slide it right in, put the screws back on, and do yourself a favor and do the rest yourself. Obviously you want to make yourself a bootable USB for Windows 10, 7, probably not 7, 11, and press F10, F9, obviously F10 if you haven't really disabled the secure boot, and then once you've done that, save that, come back to F9, and then install, obviously format the drive, and the whole shebang. Alright, cheers guys.